This is a ground blizzard. The skies are clear, the sun is out, and it's picking the wind up off the ground and just whipping it out through here. Visibility is zero sometimes, especially when it was dark. It's a little bit better now that the sun is up, but you can see how these winds are just whipping this snow across the ground here, and it's putting a layer of ice out here. So not only is the visibility low, but there's also a layer of ice out here on the ground. So we were wondering if the woo. All right, well, that was a good one.
This is what the Front Range is doing today. Hopefully you got a chance to stay home from work. Of course, you know, all right, Corky is gonna hop out here and ask if they are okay. Looks like they're spinning. Oh gosh.
All right, were you able to hear me okay?